Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to skyrocket your service business and learn how to scale that baby. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Emilio Esparza. I'm a Christian husband, father, serial entrepreneur, Little League baseball coach, and hopefully someday an owner of something fast, classic, and rusty. If this speaks to you, you're in the right place. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Did you know that service businesses make up over 70% of the GDP in the United States? That's right. Services are the backbone of our economy. Did you also know that according to the U.S. Chamber, 1 in 4 of those businesses are one disaster or threat away from closing their doors? Scaling any business is no easy feat. In this episode, we'll be going over how to properly scale your service business and the importance of strategic, explosive growth for long-term success. One of the biggest challenges service businesses face when trying to scale is dealing with limited resources, operational bottlenecks, and the constant struggle to maintain time while growing. It's a delicate balancing act that many entrepreneurs struggle with. Limited resources? Are you spending your marketing dollars wisely? Are you over-leveraged on equipment, staff, materials, you name it? Math is the path. Know your numbers. I can't stress this enough. Knowing your numbers will give you complete clarity on what is and isn't working. Operational bottlenecks? Are the right people in the right seats on the bus? Bigger question, are you in the right seat on your bus? Do you have SOPs, standard operating procedures? Do you know your KPIs, and does each system or SOP have their own KPIs? As I've said before previously, your brand matters. Hire the right people. Marketing is everything. Your customer journey is the most important thing you sell. Systems will make or break your business. Are you leveraging technology and software to rein in your money and operations? Now, this doesn't mean go and find every software available and blow your operations budget for the year in month 1. Find a CRM that works. We like House Call Pro, and implement one marketing or AI software. We use Warplan AI, the best, that is specific to the service industry. And yes, do these tools give you the most valuable commodity in the world, which is, you guessed it, time. How efficient are you as a leader, and how efficient is your team? How you manage your time is closely related to how you manage your money. The tools you use to manage your time should give you time. Shoot from the hip John Wayne business principles will leave your business grasping for breath, face down in the OK corral of your market, watching through your dust-filled eyes as your competition mounts up and rides off into the sunset with your money and your customers. How do you achieve explosive growth? If you are in the service industry, you are super aware of the gold rush of PE, private equity firms, buying up service businesses. You've seen these companies come in and take over an operation and double and sometimes triple the value of a company they just acquired in as little as 12 months without spending a fortune in marketing. How do they do that? They implement something called FRAP. P.S. Marketing agencies hate this. FRAP is an explosive growth system created by Josh Latimer, founder of SendGym, Warplan AI, and countless other multi-million-dollar enterprises. As Josh bought and sold tens of businesses over the years, he leaned in to how these PE firms do what they do so effectively and perfected the process for service businesses. So what is FRAP? FRAP's an acronym. FRAP stands for frequency, referrals, average ticket, and price. By increasing these 4 things by 15%, you can double your profit and the value of your business. So here are the principles behind FRAP. Increasing your communication frequency to past and current customers is like pulling the lever of a Pez dispenser. You pull the lever, in this case, your communication platforms, email, text, ringless voice messaging, and candy, or in our world, dollars come out. Lean on joint venture partners for referrals. Hey, John, we're both in the service industry and our customers are the same people. What do you think about us having a referral system where we pass each other customers and exchange $0 for it? Increase your average ticket price by value adds in your offer. For example, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Customer, when you decide to choose us, we will also give you X for free just because we would love to be a small part of what makes your home so beautiful. Increase your price. For me in the garage floor industry, this can be as low as raising my prices by 25 to 75 cents a square foot. Sound too good to be true? Hardly. There is a reason PE firms spend hundreds of millions of dollars every year buying companies like yours. You have the ability to become your own PE firm for free. That's mind-blowing. So, to sum it up, the essential steps for scaling a service business include leveraging your resources, dialing in your operational bottlenecks, and getting back your time. By focusing on these key areas and implementing FRAP and using WarPlan AI, you can set your business up for strategic, explosive growth and long-term success. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos on business growth strategies and share your own experiences with scaling a service business in the comments below. The journey to success is always better when we share and learn from each other. And remember, knowledge is borrowed. Pass it on. See you on the next one.